Vivo has been touting the advanced videography skills of the upcoming X300 series, and now it's even sharing some video samples. I'm going to connect the two 4K clips shot at 120 frames per second. One uses Dolby Vision HDR, the other one uses 10-bit log. The first video shows slow motion effects. You can clearly see how slowly the fireworks in the background move. The second shows off a selective slow motion effect, but it also demonstrates the advantage of log video. That is, the video editor has more freedom to adjust color and contrast as the video captures more dynamic range. These samples are set to a shot on the Vivo X300 Pro that uses Dimensity 9500 chipset, leverages its NPU for fast and accurate autofocus. There's also V3 Plus chip for additional image processing. The Pro will use a customized 200 megapixel 1 by 1.4 inch Samsung sensor in the telephoto space, though it is not known whether the video is shot with telephoto. Another possibility is that it's shot with the main camera, which is the Sony LYT-828 1 by 1.3 inch sensor. The X300 Pro will have 4K 60 frames per second cinematic portrait video, which adds bokeh over what the lens actually captures. The Dimensity 9500 chipset will be unveiled on September 22nd, while the Vivo X300 series will be launched in October.